My video guide will give you detailed recommendations on how to effectively get rid of the new ransomware that is called Pagar. Basically, you'll find out what exactly this ransomware does and how exactly it affects your files. So, before the ransomware attacks your system, you are able to open your files without any troubles at all. This includes pictures, Microsoft Office documentation, music, video files, and other data. But after the ransomware stealthily enters your system, it starts immediately encrypting your data. And pretty soon you will find out that your files got encrypted and that you are no longer able to use them. The ransomware called Pagar tries to force you into paying the special ransom in order to get your files decrypted. And this technique is pretty similar to all other ransomware types. The mission of this ransomware is to make people waste their money in favor of the criminals who stand behind this particular ransomware. They will then give you a special warning on your computer screen. The warning is called urgent notice that says that your files have been encrypted and that you need to contact these criminals by a special email address called pagar40br@gmail.com. And basically that's the reason why the ransomware is called like that. The majority of such ransomware type infections also add a special extension to the files, so soon you'll realize that this special extension has been added and you are no longer able to open your files anymore. Definitely, that's a very sad news for many people to realize that they cannot open their files. So my strong recommendation that if you have noticed that something happened with your files and you are no longer able to open them, go to the task manager, look for suspicious processes, right-click on them and end their tasks to stop any further file encryption. But now you can see that this special extension called pagar40br@gmail.com has been added, and so you cannot use your documents anymore. Definitely that's a very sad news for many people to know that their data is no longer accessible. Now, I strongly advise that you immediately seek for this solution to remove this ransomware. Go to your system drive, go to Program Files, choose Internet Explorer folder, select Internet Explorer browser, and I recommend you to scan your system with the program called Combo Cleaner. You may get it on the official page, combocleaner.com. Download the software, install the application, and start checking your computer with its help. Combo Cleaner will help you to detect other threats and to protect your files from all further ransomware attacks. After you successfully download and install the Combo Cleaner antivirus for fixing your Windows computer, you may select your preferred scan type. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so it only gives you quick scan option in the trial mode. Even though the premium version also gives you the full scan option and a custom scan. You may click on Start Scan button and the program will prepare to scanning your computer. It will start reporting certain issues that may be related to your browser, or it may detect more serious threats. You may experiment with the preferences of Combo Cleaner. For instance, Combo Cleaner Premium version works very well with its feature called Anti-Ransomware. It gives you the chance to add a special folder where you may store protected items, protected documentation. But this component is only the feature of the premium version. So then while the scanning is taking place, you will be able to observe what particular threats are detected. And then at the end of scan, you will see the complete summary of all threats that were found during the scan. The premium version of Combo Cleaner gives you important features such as anti-malware, anti-ransomware, and web browsing protection. So with these three features being the part of the premium version, your computer will be fully protected. This includes protection against malware, viruses, ransomware, and suspicious pop-up ads, annoying redirections, and other troubles that people may experience with their browser. But once again, all these three features that are summarized as real-time protection are only the part of the premium version of the software. So, once the scanning is completed, you will see the complete summary of all threats that were found during the scan. You may remove all these threats with the premium version of the program, or ask for a special trial key with the limited period of usage to completely enjoy and evaluate Combo Cleaner premium version.